Yeah, well, my heart's beating really fast.
Creativity is like walking a hedge maze. Entering the unknown, the choices we make determine our path. Each mistake, a corner turned. Each revelation draws us deeper. Walk with me into the maze and witness in full bloom the creative process in action. As over 6 weeks, I take a sculpture from conception to completion. It's a journey filled with challenge, setbacks, and inspiration that illuminates this most elusive and intimate practice, the creative process.